Good morning, all. Today is the 19th of July, Tuesday, 2016. Couple of reports here. You have building permits and housing starts seem to be as forecasted, predicted. That's well and good. Tomorrow's crude oil inventory, and right now the market is in a consolidated area. I pull up a chart here. This is really difficult to trade because you don't really know where it's going to head here, but um, just judging from the lows, it looks like right now the bias is to the long side just because of this right here. No telling, no telling. So yesterday I got chopped up during my session, or at least the times that I trade. I highlighted that here, so you can see 7 o'clock till about 10. And when I got in, I saw this was already running up, so I was looking really for opportunity for a bounce. That didn't quite happen, and I got stopped out several times here, won several times here, and throughout my, my morning session, I guess my trading range, I'm really just, from this low 54 to 82, so you got about 30 ticks of range there that I was working with. That was really difficult. I mean, yesterday my stop was at 56. I got stopped out by 2 ticks just to see it run like this. So anyways, right now it's fairly quiet market. Again, looks like, just word to the wise, looks like he had just made a run here. So I'm kind of looking in this 45.88, give this one a shot. Um, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. In the meanwhile, I guess let's go over other markets. Okay, here. So I find this kind of odd that the dollar is spiking and crude is up at the same time here. So I don't know if crude is a head fake here. It's because this one broke out of its consolidation. It's not ready to test this level. So that 70%, you got to watch that number. Gold looks like it's going to be stuck here in the range, consolidating, possibly testing this area right here. Being a Brexit, I think, news, this is what's moving this price around, and the S&P 500 is important because we are in the earnings season. So I think I read an article, Netflix just took a 15% hit overnight. So let me pull a report here. Well, I was able to pull for today. Just this thing doesn't quite. I'm sorry, guys. Allergies. Looks like it's not really a company that I'm looking for. Oil companies or anything that could impact oil. Mainly, you have your big wigs, kind of like Exxon Mobil or Chevron, companies like that, Halliburton, BP, companies like that gives bellwether of how the oil business is going. So it's good to pay attention to these companies when they report, not mainly for their actual company performance, but sometimes they do put out as to reason why they're doing good or they're doing bad, and those are the things that I'm kind of after. And when I trade equities, I used to trade equities, I certainly pay attention to earnings season because they do trade different. So anyways, this thing looks like, I'm trying to figure out if this is going to be a long or a short, but like I said, right now my bias is long. So If I take a trade, I'll try to capture on video. I'll come back. Guys, totally forgot to record here. It certainly got intense. As you could see, I'm on my 10th trade here, and it certainly wasn't easy. So what I was doing was taking 10 ticks to anywhere 10, 10 to 15 ticks. So what I do is when it goes to 10 and or 15, then I'm just putting a stop limit order. So if it gets, in case you got hit, then that's the profit that I lock in. So I did that earlier, and I placed a stop at 54, and I got stopped out there. So now I'm just holding this one for a break, even +1, or I'm gonna go for this 35 right here. I might be able to get some more actually, but I got chopped up again. As I mentioned, yesterday's move happened. Really, this move happened at like 10 o'clock. This one happened like at 7, and it worked out to like maybe 9 o'clock to consolidate. So I'm expecting the same thing that might happen here. So actually, might have to lock in a little bit more than what I have here, guys. Certainly today was not an easy day. What was happening, and if you're watching the tape as well, is that it'll break and there's no commitment there. It'll pick it up again, like kind of like this one right here. Breaks, goes up, breaks, goes up. I mean, and that price swing is huge. This range here is about 24 ticks. So if you have 5-10 ticks stop like I do, then you're almost you're guaranteed that you're gonna get stopped out here. So I'm gonna protect profits. I'm not giving any of this back. So not much price action for you. It's just really a lot of frustration. I caught myself kind of getting frustrated in the beginning because these were most of my trade took place right here, and yeah, it was a frustrating thing. I had to calm myself down a little bit. So anyways, and as you can see, all this print is taking place there, and that's somewhat good kind of sort of picture. Volume would also end up in that range. Sure enough, that's it. So I'm expecting this thing, and I just got stopped out there. So anyhow, I guess that would be it for me. Yeah, this thing is reversing pretty good. I think yesterday there was a level there yesterday. Yeah. And if you look at the hourlies really would speak for itself. So yeah, tight range. Let's see, let's pull up the hour here. As you can see, the hourly is just sideways action. Broke to the upside, head fake, then now it's gonna break the downside for possibly another head fake. And I think I had this highlighted yesterday here. So it tested that. It's testing that twice now. So I guess you got some indecision going on. Gotta be careful. Anyhow, that's it for me today, guys. Appreciate you taking the time watching the video. If you have any questions, just holler, let me know, and I could certainly try to chime in if you need some help. I mean, I don't claim to be the expert, but if there's something I know that you could use, then certainly I'm willing to help out. So anyhow, y'all have a good one. Take care.